In this MATLAB tutorial video, we will talk about nested if-else, and along with that, we will see to find the maximum number of three numbers. So for example, we have three numbers A, B, C. A is 10, B 15 and C 20, and we will find out the maximum number between these, and we will use the nested if-else. So for example, the first if is if A is greater than B, and let me just end this, and the second if is if A is less than B, and end this. We will write down another if inside if, that is called nested if. So for this, the second if is if A is greater than B, and similarly A is greater than C as well. So I will display A is greater, right? And I will just put in a single quote. Okay, after that I will use else, and I will display this C is greater, right? And just close this. Similarly for this if, another if would be if A is greater than B, but if B is greater than C. So disp, I write disp, so it is disp, and I will say that B is greater, right? And in else I will write down disp C is greater. I'll explain the logic now, and I will just end this. Sorry, and you also need to end this as well, because it is start with the if, and it is terminated with the keyword end. So if A is greater than B, this expression will be executed. Along with that, inside this it will see that if A is also greater than C, if it is A is greater than B and A is greater than C, so it will display A is greater. If A is greater than B but A is not greater than C, so it will display C is greater. In this, if A is less than B, so this will be executed. But if A is less than B and B is greater than C, so it will say that B is greater. If A is less than B but B is also less than C, so it will say that C is greater. Let me just run this. This should be this bracket. Again run this, another error. There put another bracket, another error. Sorry, and this should be removed. Okay, A is 10, B 15, C 20, so C is greater. Let me just clear this. Again run this for 151, so it should say that B is greater, right? And if I make it 199, so A is greater, right? So this was a simple tutorial. They said that how you will find the maximum of three numbers by using nested if-else. Thank you so much.